Most people just paste prompts into Cursor and hope for the best. But what if I told you there's a smarter way, one where Claude Chat actually helps you think like a strategist? So every prompt you write gets the result you want the first time. In this 5-minute tutorial, I'll show you how I used Ulazai and Claude to instantly upgrade my own landing page and how you can do the same for any SaaS project.
This a little tutorial how I am using Claude Chat with the built-in project option to generate AI agent prompts to build in new features. For example, I want to update my landing page. I ask in Dutch to make a system, to make an agent prompt to update the landing page with the new USPs and the new feature we built. So it did it, and it gave me this prompt. It's a pretty extended prompt. The only thing that I'm doing then is just copying the prompt, enter it into Cursor, and it's starting to build. Let's accept all, just a bit Deegan style. This is the old landing page. And let's see, this is the new landing page. It's got the video demo. It's not working, but let's see. It did everything. Starter, no credit card, enterprise. Let's see if this is working. I'm going to the dashboard because I'm already logged in. So let me log out and then press it again. I have to create an account. That's pretty good. So it deleted header we had, but everything. Oh, this is pretty cool. Yeah, this is the curl generate. Let me check if it's working. It's working. Yeah, I think it's working. Yeah, it's missing here the VO3 or the VO3 fast model selection. That could be something that we can add. Perfect for image generation, mockups. Nice. Get on. Nice. It's pretty cool. We can go to the documentation as well. Try live demo. Yeah, the image demo is working. We can just create me an image of flying elephant. Generate image. Okay, I am seeing that it's broken. We didn't one-shot it, but for the design and to change up a whole landing page, it's working pretty good. The next thing that I'm going to try, I'm going to restore all these changes to get back to the previous version, and then create me an image of a flying elephant. And I will look this working. So I will need to specify in the prompt that, let me open up a new chat, change to agent, remove that context, and add stuff. Don't break things that are already functional. Don't change things that are working with JavaScript. And what did I had? Styling. Change up the let me make the header. Oh, nice. While we waited, the image just generated. The nice thing that we could check, if we go to ChatGPT, and let's see what the image will be over there. Make the header, make the header with the 3JS element. Don't change that. Keep it the same, only change the text if needed. And then we can add, because we are working with the updated cursor, make a plan before you adjust everything. Let's go again. That's the nice thing about Cursor. You can just press restore to checkpoint and everything will be back to how it was. Which one do you more? The one created on ulazai.com or this one? If you have any questions, one more thing. If you go to your project, here's where you can add your context. So for this, I've added a bit of instructions. And here you can add a GitHub repository, even add Google Drive documents and all kind of stuff. It's so the project isn't really big, but so you have to just check if the project you're going to add is small enough to be handled in the context window. Good luck creating new projects. After the adjustment of the prompt to make a plan before you adjust everything, it's working pretty cool. As you can see in the right side in the screen of Cursor, it made a great plan. The problem was that it did everything at once. So that's why it broke a couple of things. And just by adding the last part I just spoke about, we kept the 3JS header and we have a working image demo and a working video demo. As you can see, video is created. I have to look into it, but I can see in the logs that it's created, but it's not showing up on the landing page. With two-shotted this adjustment with help of Claude and the project setup. The pricing is pretty okay. It can, of course, be we need to adjust the most popular and the best value labels a bit, and these are not correct. So I have to change these a bit because this is out of the div, and I like this a lot. This is pretty cool. This is this is almost ready to be shipped. Just one more thing we need to do. I hope this helped you in figuring out how to use Cloud Chat to adjust your prompts and to make your prompts for the agent in Cursor even better. Say for your new option to remember to keep this in mind, what we just added. So this little, we need to add this to the plan. If you have any questions, let me know in the comment. Check out the SAM automation, the school community. We are improving every day, focusing a bit on e-commerce. Going to start with the Shopify MCP, sorry.